General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right. End of day Tuesday. Mm. 2/17/26. I think tomorrow is FOMC minutes. Monday, Tuesday. You really can't say it's I mean, you can say it's a manipulation day because we ran a low. Same gauge. Medium. Everything's confirmed. Do we have expansion for the week? Do we think this is low of the week? This candle. Nah. We do kind of got the deviation for 2. Or do I think that's the anchor? Nah. No. Can we miss that? Maybe reversal. Low terminus. Okay, so here, New York reversal profile. trying to go through Monday's range completely, but I'm like it's having trouble. Monday being a holiday, I want to see both sides get around. Late PM expansion closed through the week opening gap, but failed to continue. So failure is a big deal. Let's see if we can push it tomorrow. Okay, that's an interesting high for this hour. It's 9 o'clock. This is a huge 9 a.m. range. Even the wick on this is interesting. This week like bullish order block, last straw. So we got this expansion down, boom. So it's really just this one day worth of expansion. A little choppy day, inside day, took this day's low. So this high, it's gonna be interesting too, which is this Friday's high from last week. And 50% of this expansion is interesting. Which lines up with this. Trace objective. Let's give it a different color. So buys here, if we can maintain this retracements, like if we come down here, it's like a low to both buy. I wouldn't want anything below this though. Retracement, lower sell. Yeah, because we still need this low here. hold on one second. Okay. Last week ended with expansion. Monday stalled, and Tuesday ran previous week's low. Thank you retracement to 50% of Thursday range. It's really 50% of the expansion. And more sales, most likely. Yeah. We could have a shift in sentiment. The seasonality is not in line for it though. Still, week 3 Friday. This is where we would need it for the buy side. They finished the up close, cleaning up the lows. You have unfinished business on buy side. The way we've been contained in this range is just disgusting. So hopefully we retrace fast, expand fast. Take a look. This looks like it could have drew some people in. This looks like an event horizon. Just the only time that pops up, yeah, because it's another gap here. So yeah, the event horizon there. No, we left relative equal highs. Let's go take a look at the next time frame. Yeah, we need to clean up this low resistance liquidity run. Really above Friday's high is all we really need. Target for tomorrow. Friday high will be my target. Ideal delivery is retracement overnight to buy in the AM. On the daily chart, let's do it this way. Same plan here. framework play out? Yeah, if we do learn about patterning, we good. Stay locked in. Watch for tomorrow. I think it's just FOMC minutes. Yeah, durable goods at 8:30. So hopefully we don't chop before news. Might be a day to take off if we do. All right, that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.